Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hello to all my subscribers and to all the viewers. So guys, come with me and join me on how to make a simple towel dress. So let's get started, guys. So this is how I fold my towel, like this one. So I'm gonna make a simple towel dress. So I will show you how to make it. This is so simple. Perhaps some of you already knows how to make this one, but I will show you guys my idea. Okay, so guys, I already fold into two this towel like this, and this is the center. So I take like 3 inches from this one here, 3 inches here, and I already put a mark in there. This is from this for the back, this for the back here. So I'm gonna put the strap in here, and I also have mark here for the strap again. This one. So this is the strap I'm gonna use. So if you wanna make this one, guys, you can also choose like a little bit bigger of this shoulder strap, but for me I just choose this string type of shoulder strap. So guys, let's get started. So I already marked this one here, just to mark here if you see it. Okay, so I'm gonna put the strap here like this one. By the way, guys, all my materials are a scissor, a thread, and a needle. That's it. And also this strap. So I'll just sew it here. So guys, this shoulder strap depends upon on your shoulder size, but for me, I'm a petite, that's why I choose the small one. So it's already done, right? And I'll be attaching it here like this one. So it's done, guys, and I'm gonna also do the other side. There's a lot of ways on how to make this towel dress, but this is just one idea of from me. So this is it, guys, and I'm gonna show you how to wear this one. Like for example, you're from your shower, just wear this one like this, and to avoid dropping of your towel, because sometimes you drop it and it's very scary, right? So I just wear it like this, and this one like this one, just slip it on here. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. I hope you like it, and please to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified for my next video. Thank you guys so much, and God bless to all of you. Bye for now. Thank you guys. Bye bye.